This one feels lighter, eh?
Yeah, it definitely is. Me personally, I would like the black better if it wasn't that. You can like see through it, but like in a good way. It's so light, it keeps you warm. Like when it, if it like spits, you're not gonna get like too wet. But yeah, like even you can see now, like you can see your arms through it and like your tattoos, but still see the T underneath. Yeah, like that one gets me excited to go for a run. That one not as much. I've run those ones and they've been so good.
Really?
Yeah, so good. That's them washed as well. And like normally the annoying thing with like compression tights is they pill so quickly.
Yeah.
Like, I mean like almost like after like one run you got a little bit of pilling just from like all the rubbing. But these ones haven't. We're instead doing like more of like an invisible zip, like you know the one I showed you a picture of.
Because
So
I reckon that looks real messy.
yeah, so we're doing that as an invisible zip. But what I've done is I've added in that lasering.
Oh, dope.
So that's the laser dots there on like a 45-degree angle. And that's the pocket in there, which was sort of kept clean, and that will have the invisible zip.